In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Monday.com for budgeting so you can track expenses, manage approvals, and keep your entire team aligned in one clean, visual workspace. Whether you're budgeting for your business, a department, or even personal projects, this setup will give you a simple but powerful system. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to organize everything by month or category for maximum clarity. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to create your budget board. In the bottom left corner of Monday.com, click the plus Add button. From the menu that appears, select New Board. Then choose From Scratch so we can fully customize it to fit your budgeting needs. Give your board a clear name, like Budget Tracker or 2026 Budget Plan, so it's easy to find later. When prompted to choose the board type, select Main. This ensures everyone on your team can see the board and collaborate if needed. Once you click Create Board, you'll have a blank workspace ready to turn into a powerful budgeting system. Next, we're going to add the essential budget columns. These columns are what transform a simple board into a financial tracking tool. Start by adding a numbers column and rename it Budget Amount. This is where you'll enter how much money was planned for each expense or category. Then add another numbers column and rename it Actual Spending. This lets you track what was really spent so you can compare it against your budget. After that, add a date column and label it Expense Date or Due Date depending on your workflow. This helps you monitor when payments are scheduled or completed. Now add a status column and customize the labels to Approved, Pending, and Rejected. This is perfect for managing expense approvals within a team. Finally, add a People column and rename it Owner. This allows you to assign responsibility for each expense so there's always clear accountability. Once these columns are in place, you'll have a fully structured budgeting board that tracks planned amounts, real spending, timelines, approval stages, and responsibility all in one view. Now, let's organize everything so it's easy to analyze. Monday.com uses groups to separate items, and this is perfect for budgeting. You can rename your groups by month, such as January, February, March, and so on. This works great if you're managing a yearly budget and want to monitor monthly performance. Alternatively, you can organize by category instead. For example, marketing, operations, admin, software, or payroll. This method is ideal if you want to see how much each department or function is spending. To rename a group, simply click on the group title and type the new name. You can also add new groups as needed to keep everything clean and structured. Using groups strategically makes your budget easier to read and much more actionable. And that's it. You now have a fully functioning budgeting system inside Monday.com that's organized, trackable, and team-friendly. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.